Do you like the pattern?
I do, but maybe not for a pillow.
Okay. What would you want it on?
My name is Ben Coates with Coates Homes.
My name is Emily Hewett. I own Dallas design firm A Well-Dressed Home. We have decided to build with Coates Homes. We're ready.
To kind of start in the entry, you have a little bit of the handrail that pops out from the stairs, and we really liked having this curved detail to it with the stained tread, painted riser, and the inset runner on it. And then we also want to have the brass hardware going across the runner.
100%.
Does that just go up the one that is visible to everyone? Does it go up the
I think it needs to go up the whole thing.
Okay.
I like the white oak. I like the painted stair riser and the stained tread. I love the brass hardware. I know that we wanted to do that from day one, but the drop in handrail is definitely not something I would have picked. I think I like it, but I need to sleep on it.
To the kitchen, bottom left is actually the towers on either side of the window.
Which I do believe are gonna be pulled forward
Just a little.
6 inches. I almost think we could make those two towers feel like pieces of furniture more. And I can tell you the decorative foot detail I like.
Draw it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the ones I have in my bathroom now. I love them.
Okay. Show us your art skills.
She's actually good at drawing.
She is?
Yeah.
Is that to scale?
Yeah, it is to scale.
Let me see your art skills.
Something that just looks formal.
Yeah.
I love the cabinet hardware. Love it.
Polished brass. And those are the appliance poles.
We're going brass all the way.
Yeah,
All
the way.
baby.
I think I like the light fixture. How big is it?
Big. Yeah, it'll go
So,
over the island.
over the island. I'm not 100% sold on the sconces. These are gonna be a statement and I wanna be like, oh, I love these sconces.
My opinion is though, if we do a chandelier of this scale, we need some big sconces. Like,
Totally agree. Yes.
hefty.
Okay, your office. You-
Okay, I like it.
You do?
Yeah, I like the
feel
light fixture.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
We would wallpaper all of the walls and behind the built-ins, and then the built-ins can just be the white dove.
I'd like to do something a little more playful with the hardware maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
And here it's my space, so I feel like I could get away with something.
Okay.
Okay, ready? They're gonna show you the tile on the floor, the paint on the wall, the tile in the shower.
Is this a reveal, Becca?
No, but okay.
You like it?
I do.
Good. Your walls are gonna be this color.
Okay.
Then your countertops are gonna be this. And it's gonna go up around your window, so we'll show you what that looks like. And then your cabinet's gonna be stained. You wanna see it first?
Yes.
Yeah, let's see it.
I like that. I do. I love that. Wow.
Wow.
The thing that, for the cabinet, I kind of want this to be a little bit
Darker? We can do that. And then your shower tile is gonna be this one.
Yeah.
And then you know where the penny goes?
Yes.
On the floor? Yep.
And I do like that right there.
You like this?
Like the tile in the shower.
Well, Beckham, I think we need to go with that because then it's less grout lines. You're gonna have to clean it yourself.
Okay.
We're gonna bring your light fixture from your room now.
Papa made that.
What's the light?
The chandelier.
And
Love it, love
we'll
the
definitely
sconces.
do like a fun desk on one side of your bed, and then we'll do a cabinet on the other side that has drawers that you can keep socks in. If you
Yeah.
have door hardware on the door going into your bedroom, it's gonna say do not disturb.
Wow.
Are you ready? Okay.
Oh.
Scallop tile, so this white
This is
scallop
like- it's like
on all
fish
your
scales.
shower walls. And that penny round, the big penny, it's a marble, and that's on the floors everywhere.
That's on the floor. See, you wanted gold, right? So there's gold light fixtures.
So we have two options for lights for you in your bedroom. This one has the butterflies on it, and it's all brass. So there's another option, so we can do the bubble light.
You like that one?
I really like the butterfly though.
You do?
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Then I want the
You're gonna
bubbles
have to pull this. You want the bubbles?
Uh-huh. somewhere.
Yeah,
I
but
love
I want
those.
the butterflies.
Okay, you can have the butterflies.
We're looking at all those fabrics for your bedroom. You like them
Pretty.
all? And then on the left side of your window, you're gonna have a cabinet that has drawers and doors and some shelves above so you can put books or picture frames. And then you're gonna have a big window seat.
Wait, what? You don't
Look.
tell me I was gonna see it.
Moving on, dining room. You can fit a lot of seating in there.
Holy cow.
3, 4, 6.
Oh, 10. 10 is what that's what I had
But like
intended.
comfortably, not
Yeah. Oh,
like
yeah.
having people's legs into each
Yeah.
other.
Well, my thought was buy 12 chairs.
You could squeeze if you needed to for special occasions or whatever.
So this is the wallpaper for the whole dining room, and I love it. And I love the color because I feel like this is that pop that we need throughout the house.
So next is the living room.
Okay.
Your living room selections are all right in front of you there. So you're gonna have a sofa with kind of a curved arm and the trim at the base.
Love
So that'll be your main staple sofa. It'll have perennials on it, and then it gives you that kind of crocheted look for the trim
I
along
like
the
the
bottom.
couch. I like the couch a lot.
This perennials fabric is perfect for the living room because we can spill wine, the kids can drop snacks or food or whatever, and this will wipe right off.
I could just pour a drink on the rug and do that, but it could just wipe off.
Not the rug, just the sofa.
That's a
Just
good
the
idea.
sofa.
Then I'll do it on the rug to make it safe.
Sofa only. Coffee table is not burl wood, but it's a light natural bamboo, so it's
I like
like
that, yeah.
a similar variation.
You know what? I want more color in here. Okay. Love that back sofa with the fringe. Love 4 pillows on there.
Nice.
I love the chairs. I mean, y'all know I'm gonna be super particular about the furnishings.
As you should. We expect nothing less.